Hi, I'm Catherine Drinketh, the Director of Communications for the Division of Information Technology here at the College of Charleston. I'm here with Jack McCoy, AV Engineer, and I'm learning about the technology installed in the newly renovated Rita Liddy Hollings Science Center. Jack, tell us some more about this building.
Well, this is one of the homes of the School of Science and Mathematics here at the College of Charleston, and they hold classes such as physics and astronomy as well as psychology here. So let's go have a look. Let's
do it. Jack, I've noticed throughout the building that there's digital signage. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
So yeah. During this project, we made sure that we had we placed a priority on digital signage here in order to communicate with the faculty, staff, and students. It's just another avenue to reach everyone. So you may have noticed this around campus, in other locations, but they're controlled individually by each school. But in this instance, they are using it for several different types of events and activities that students could actually go take advantage of.
Well, we're here with Dr. Ragg in one of the 4 computer labs in the Hollings Science Center, and he's going to tell us a little about how he uses the lab in his courses.
Yeah, we use these for scientific visualization, for students to do advanced data processing, for students to do programming for simulations of black holes and graphics. They have to learn how to do scientific illustration, for example, in the advanced experimental class, where they have to learn how to make scientific papers look sciencey.
So we're in one of the labs, and we're looking at an example of how a professor might use technology in this space. Tell us some more.
Well, one of the things we paid particular attention to in these spaces was the mobility of the professor. Instead of being tethered to one of our lecterns, we wanted to give them the ability, using Apple TV, to actually be able to mirror their screen. So it's a good opportunity for a professor to actually go in, spend some time with a particular student, and still be able to share things with the rest of the class if necessary, if the student brings up a good point.
These small group work areas are called touchdown spaces. Tell me how students can use these areas.
Well, yeah, we have these in place because we realize that most places are learning spaces. So what we try to do is provide an area for students to be able to come in, bring their laptop, use their mobile device, whatever they're using at the time, to be able to connect wirelessly to the screen. But anybody can come up, go to the touch panel, select what they want to do for their source, and take advantage of it.
Great, so whatever's on the laptop, they're going to see there, and their whole group's going to see as well.
Absolutely. So this is one of our document cameras. We put these around campus. They're fairly popular for professors that like to try to annotate on chalkboards in spaces that are a lot larger. We can also use them for 3D objects and things like that, but we have a really good focusing range, high level of detail with these cameras.
Okay, so the idea is you put a paper or you can write out a problem and the students will be able to see it on the screen easier.
That's correct.
Okay. Thanks, Jack, for showing us around the building and showing us some examples of the technology.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to do so.